issues, like for instance, the banner across the front of Chevy. Sorry, that was my phone, not my hand. The First National Bank of Galveston. You don't see that across the front anymore. The Gulf, and you see all those ships going by and all those hardworking guys, and you hear that Texas tea song, the Clampets. Well, this is a bigger version of it. It's really fly away singing Lenny Kravitz. The pirate Jean Lafitte. Every hour on the hour. Now, my favorite, of course, would be the pirate Jean Lafitte. You're not hearing about him because he was a cool pirate. You're hearing about him because he was a great entrepreneur. He came into our coast, he called Galveston home, and started his business here. Amazing. Now, we talked about the gangsters at the beginning of the tour, and now we got the pirates over here. This is where you guys are really standing right now today in this history. Now you can see that the building is an exact replica of the photograph. So with that being said, we are keeping with the integrity of the island so that our guests can come back and continue to see the history. Speedboat, the jet boat. They usually go out when the cruise ships take off, and they get in the wakes of the boats like he's trying to do the little boats. And it's a really cool ride, but he gets on the big wakes with
But you're the reason I'm still here today, and you're the reason I was sad to say, girl, you keep on me, wave on me.